Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate the Google Charts inside your React.js application. So there is a specific package that you can integrate inside your React.js application. You can see we have different types of charts here using our data. We are having bar charts, we have line charts, we have scattered charts as well. So I will show you a complete example. So first of all, I'm using this module. If you don't know, just go to npm.js.com. Just search for this React Google Charts. So this is actually the module that I'm using. The command is very simple. It uses the Google Charts. It uses this Google Charts API, and it's completely free. It has its own website as well, reactgooglecharts.com. So simply install this by executing this command, guys. Now I will show you a complete example. So we make this functional component, and first of all we need to import this module by the import statement. So import chart. So like this, using this import statement, we first of all import the module. After that we actually declare some kind of data. We will have a data, we will have an age, and we will have a weight. We will have a set of values right here, which we will plot here: 8, 12, 4. So we have a bunch of values that we are plotting. Let me just paste. You can take any sort of data that you want to plot. So now I will show you one by one the different kinds of charts that it supports. So give it a width of and inside this, first of all, I will show you the scatter chart, and for this we'll be using the component chart, and here we need to specify some options. So the first option is the chart type, and it actually scatter chart, and then it also takes the actual data that you need to plot. So our data is located inside data, and then we can put the width to be 100 and the height to be like 800 pixel. So it actually takes four options. This component, what chart that you are plotting. So we are using scatter chart, then the data, the width and the height. So if you refresh your application, so now what happens, we also need to pass this loader function. So we can basically pass a callback function. So whenever your chart is loading, we can pass this text. So it is saying to us unexpected token. I think I made a mistake right here. Let me paste it. So now you can actually see a scattered chart, guys. So we have the weight here that we are plotting here according to the age. So you can see this is the scattered chart. Similarly, we can actually plot more charts using this package. So again, we can use the same component. This time we will be using the line chart. So here inside the chart type, here we pass line chart, and then we can provide a width of we can provide the data here, which is, so this time here we are providing the line chart here. So if you refresh now, you will see this is actually your line chart. This is actually the line chart. Similarly, we change this one changes to bar chart. So this is your bar chart here. You will see different kinds of charts are there. And lastly, it also supports the column chart. So now you can see, now we also have the bar chart column wise. So these are the four different kinds of charts that this package supports, guys. It's a very handy package, React Google Charts, which integrates the Google Charts API inside your React.js application. It's a completely free module. You can easily use it inside your React.js application like this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.